Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set a two-factor authentication on your ByBit application. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on my ByBit application over here. Okay, and guys, make sure that you logged into your ByBit and make sure that you're verified over here. If I click on my profile here, you can see that I have the verification badge and the tick over there. If I click on it, as you can see, I'm verified by level 1. If you're not verified by level 1, you can't be able to set up the two-factor authentication on your ByBit. So make sure that you have your national ID and verify yourself. Okay, going back over here, how to set up the two-factor authentication on ByBit for those who are verified. So what you're going to do is simple. Come to the gear icon there, settings. Then when you come to settings, okay, click down here and scroll down. Then click on manage crypto limits. When you click on manage crypto limits, you see here that your security is on a low level. So you have to come and set up the Google two-factor authenticator. So guys, make sure that you have the two-factor authentication application by Google. If you don't have it, come to Google Chrome and then search for it on the Google Play Store over here and then download it. So take note of this icon. This is the icon for the two-factor authentication application by Google. Okay, so heading back to our ByBit, click on ByBit, then click on set up two-factor authentication. And now I'll receive my email over here and I'll receive a code on my email to confirm that I want to do this. So I'll head over to my Gmail application and then I'll check out if I've received any email so that I can confirm that it's me who's trying to set up a two-factor authentication on my ByBit. So quickly coming to this email, as you can see, the ByBit security code has already arrived and it's here. So I'll quickly come and copy this code over here, then I paste it in ByBit. So the code is 519137. 519137. Okay, so it's already there. Then I confirm. Alright, so after inputting that code, I've now set up the two-factor authentication on my ByBit and it's very good to go. That's it guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you found value in our video. Until next time, we shall meet.